welcome to my channel. I'm Mehak and in this video I'll be showing you how I did this butterfly wing. So if you're interested, let's get started. First, I'm going to start by drawing a straight line towards the tail of my eyebrow and connect it to the outer corner of my eye like the shape of a wing. Then I'm going to create a similar one and connect that on the lower lash line. I'm going to use a black eyeshadow to darken up the line. You can also use either gel or liquid liner. Now I'm going to make it a little pointed. Using concealer, I'm going to fill in these lines. It will remove any mistakes and also provide a sticky base for your eyeshadows to make them look more vibrant. Now I'm going to fill the upper wing with orange eyeshadow and lower one with yellow. And now I'm creating some lines in between. Now using white liner, I'm going to make some dots. I'm applying pink glitter shadow in the inner corner. I'm going to add blush and highlight. And we're done. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe.